Press the on/off button for 2 seconds. The blue light will flash quickly for 3 times and then flash slowly. In standby or music pause state, short press the multifunction button and the on/off button at the same time. In power on state, press the C button once to turn on/off the running water indicator light. In power on state, press the on/off button for 8 seconds. The red LED indicator light will remain on and then flash twice quickly. Short press the on/off button and the volume up button at the same time to enable or disable automatic answer of phone calls. Press the on/off button for 3 seconds and release it when the red light is on.